everybody, welcome to day 2 of our Ready to Transform week. Today it's all about bodyweight training. So for the next 24 hours, your free gift that you can go and grab is a complete 100% free 7-day bodyweight workshop where over a 7-day period, I will teach you how to do all the most popular bodyweight exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, knee raises properly once and for all so that you can get results instead of injuring your joints and destroying your body. So to sign up for this and grab your free gift, simply go to SixPackFactory.com/R2T. And then for your special offer, because today is all about bodyweight training, I want to give you $30 discount on our 21-day Bodyweight Evolution Express Challenge, which is a 21-day bodyweight weight loss challenge. So once again, SixPackFactory.com/R2T. Both your free gift and a special offer is available for the next 24 hours, and you can go and grab it right now. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.